Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit footer menu in Shopify. Click on online store, go to the theme section here. In the theme section, it will open up. Go and click on customize whichever themes you want to customize the footer section. Now here you will see on the left side this is a footer, so let's click on it, or you can scroll down and this is a footer. So this is a just one of my store where I make videos. That's why it's pretty clean, nothing is added here, but we will add some of this stuff here. Right, now here you can see this is our subscribe to email. Now here you can see footer add section. So I can just go and click on add section. This is an email sign up which we have already added. And here we can just go and click on add menus, right? And here in the menus, I can just write here whichever menus, for example, let me just scroll up the catalogs, contacts, not share my information, affiliates, incomes, and everything, right? You can add a quick links here. For example, you can see the left side, click on it, you can go and click on change, right? Change menu, and from here you can just add anything, right? For example, I want to add main menus, I will just quit here, and this way you can always customize this up. If you can also create your own menu, right? This is really easy thing to do. Now let's get back here. Now here you can see when click on add block. Now you can also give a brand information, right? If you want to do this is it for the brand information. So here you will get a lot of option. If you want to add an image, you can always add an image here, right? So if I just go and click on here, I can add my image, right? And there's a text option, right? So these are the four new types of footer section where you can just customize it up. When you set up your payment method, automatically it will show up here all this payment, as well as with the social media, right? So this is how you can just customize it up. It's really easy, and if you want to know more, watch our longest form of video in our channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.